Hello and welcome to Abstract. Today we are going to talk about 10 unsolved mysteries of universe. So get ready and buckle up cause our spacecraft is ready to launch. Dark matter. It is like a giant spider web. Planet, stars, asteroid, galaxies are the things that we can see that only makes 5% of the whole universe. Scientists think another 25% is a strange substance called dark matter. We can't see it, we can't understand it, but we are pretty sure it's out there because everything is moving into its gravitational tone. And there is so much of it that it bends the appearance of space. So that when astronomers observe the galaxies, it often appears distorted. Scientists believe that dark matter acts like a spider's web, which hold the fast-moving galaxies together. We have plenty of evidence that dark matter exists. But as for what appears, it still remains a mystery. Some believe it is composed of undiscovered particle and some believe it is undiscovered property of gravity. Whatever the truth, dark matter is a real puzzle. And it's proven tricky to pin down. Dark energy. Scientists believe remainder is entirely dark energy, powerful enough to tear the entire universe asunder. Where dark matter appears to pull galaxies together, dark energy seems to push everything apart. We all know that the universe is expanding, but it's expanding more and more quickly than it's expected. And scientists think that the dark energy is the culprit. But where's the dark energy coming from? Some believe that it's produced from the collision between quantum particles, but no one knows for sure. Quantum entanglement, spooky action. Famously dubbed as spooky action at a distance by Albert Einstein. Quantum entanglement is the phenomenon by which two particles in totally different parts of the universe can be linked to one another, mirroring the behavior and the state of their partner. Quantum entanglement is a bit of a nuisance for classical physics because it breaks some fundamental law that we previously thought were unbreakable. Because for particles to be connected across such vast distance, they must be sending signal to one another that travels faster than the speed of light, a feat previously considered impossible. Objects are only supposed to be affected by their surrounding. The notion of the particles being affected by something happening on the other side of the universe is just strange. Nevertheless, studies suggest that the quantum entanglement does indeed exist. And even though we don't understand it, we could still potentially use it. Because of its spooky characteristic, entanglement could eventually become the bedrock of the next generation computing and communication. So watch this space. Antimatter, the evil twins. Imagine yourself in opposite land. Black is white, up is down, matter is antimatter. I know it sounds crazy, but the subatomic particle that makes everything around us, electrons, protons and neutrons, all have even twins. Antimatter particles are the same mass as normal particle, but the opposite charges. And because of this, antimatter wipes out the normal matter on the contact. Poof! Both are destroyed in an instant. So antimatter has the potential to destroy us and everything we love. But fear not, there's very little antimatter roaming around this cosmos. Antimatter could even prove useful. When antimatter and matter meet and destroy one another, it releases energy. In a PET scanner, anti-electrons are created and their annihilation in the body allows a doctor to create sophisticated images. Scientists hope to one day use the energy released by antimatter or matter interaction to power spacecraft. So perhaps antimatter isn't so quite evil after all. The Fermi paradox. The universe is really big. Like really big. In the grand scheme of things, human beings are just small fry. And yet, we currently seem to be the only one in the party. The Fermi paradox refers to the contradiction between the high possibility of extraterrestrial life and the apparent lack of evidence that such life exists. We have now identified a handful of potential habitat Earth-like planets, but we are still yet to see any sign of intelligent life from out there. So why the radio silence? There are numerous theories ranging from the possibility that the intelligent life is exceptionally rare or short-lived to the notion that the alien species are purposefully avoiding detection. Black hole, massive monsters. A constant staple of sci fi thriller. Black holes are violent, vastly destructive, and invisible. Black holes are the region of space in which the force of gravity is so powerful that everything around it is drawn in. Not even light can escape, which is why we can't see any of it. Experts believe that there could be hundreds and millions of black holes in our galaxy alone, and these monsters can grow to become billions of times more massive than a sun. At the center of most galaxies, including our own, the Milky Way galaxy, lurks a super massive black hole. We don't know what happens when objects pass through the center. They might become spaghettified, stretched apart into long string of matter. They could even be transported through a shortcut to a different part of the universe. Spooky, right? Space roar, also known as silent scream. In space, no one can hear your scream, right? Space is a vacuum, so there shouldn't be any noise. And yet, you guessed it, there is. The entire universe is alive with sound, and space roar isn't just everyday sound. It's actually these old radio signals that we have detected through the space. You know radio waves? We use them for communication, TV, cell phone, radios. Well, it looks like space is full of them, kicking out a noise that's loud enough to drown out other signals, which is quite the nuisance for scientists trying to explore the cosmos. So where is the radiation coming from? Some think that it's leftover radiation from the early stars. Others believe that it's gases swirling around galaxies cluster or else galaxies themselves. But for now, the roaring universe remains another unsolved and a noisy mystery. Cosmic rays, ghostly visitor. Space can be an intense place, but we are totally shielded down here on Earth, aren't we? Well, about that. Cosmic rays are high energy particle that comes from outer space and regularly bombarded Earth. Generally, these particles are completely harmless. Our atmosphere kindly protects us, but there are some exceptions. Up high in the stratosphere, cosmic rays can affect both human beings and electronics. Astronauts and aircraft crews are exposed to higher levels of radiation than the average person can because of the presence of cosmic rays, although still not enough to be a major risk. But electronics are the real potential victim here. Very rarely, a cosmic ray particle with enough energy can go straight into an electronic system, causing serious damage. The high energy particle can disrupt electronic data, leading to system crash. And in an increasingly digital world, that's not a good news. We are only just beginning to learn about the potential impact that cosmic rays could have, and the race is on to find a solution. Doppelganger of the universe, the multiverse. Want to feel small? Well, here it goes. Humanity is just a tiny speck on a planet within a galaxy that itself make up just a tiny or extremely small fraction of the universe. In fact, the universe is so vast, we have explored far less than 0.1% of it. And yet, it's entirely possible that our universe is just one of many others. The multiverse theory suggests that the cosmos contains multiple universes. Indeed, some scientists believe that there are an infinite number of universes, which means an infinity number of civilizations, histories, and versions of you. However, the multiverse theory is still highly controversial, and we are not likely to be charting parallel universe anytime soon. So, sorry guys. The Big Crunch, or the end of the world as we know it. All good things must come to an end, even the universe itself. But how, you ask? Well, there are lots of mind-blowing ideas out there. In the past, the deliciously named Big Crunch suggests a scenario in which the universe expansion, which has been going on since the Big Bang, taper off and instead gives away to the force of gravity. As a result, everything, planet, galaxies, cluster, is drawn together into a single dense point of a mass until everything is wiped out. Now don't you get worried about this. This is all many billions of years away. These days, the Big Crunch is not the only theory out there concerning our inevitable demise. Other ideas include the Big Freeze, the Big Bounce, and the Big Rip. So rest assured, even if we don't know how the universe ends, we know it's going to be a pretty big event. So that completes the 10 mysterious facts about the universe. I hope you liked the facts. So if you liked it, Please hit that like button, share and subscribe, and press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. See you next time.